Morning. There you go. Oh no, don't.
I did. Okay, drag back in.
Don't worry then. Lovely. Thank you. It's heavy.
Thank you very much.
You got it? Thank you.
And there's the missus. We buy anything. Just getting the car washed before taking to We Buy Any Car. I've even got that adrenaline and that cortisol keeping me going. I just crashed, and then you get ill, don't you? I've got like a well bad earache. Anyway, regardless, you soldier on, don't you? You just keep going, you keep pushing until you're like absolutely broken. We're not quite there yet. We've got quite a long way to go until I'm broken. So we'll see what happens. But like I says, we're selling the cars in a minute, and we'll see how much we get for them. It's exciting. We're here at We Buy Any Old Banger, and I'm gonna get out and chat to the geezer, see what he says, and then sign up, and then hopefully walk away with 500 quid for this and 4.5 bags of sand for the other one. Let's see. Jesus Christ, I got a migraine.
Have you got like an airdrop here?
So my car, you be my car.
Yeah, we got 443 quid.
So Tobes, what have you just done?
Just sold my car, till We Buy Any Car. Just sold my car, till We Buy Any Car. Hey, excuse me, mummy.
Yep.
What have you just done?
I just sold my car till We Buy Any Car. Just sold my car till We Buy Any car. Oh,
Wow.
very good.
How much did you get for yours?
5,200 and a little bit.
£23. I got £443. So our total is 5,670 quid.
Even though they're worth a lot more.
Yeah,
a lot more.
Yeah. Say good luck.
Tea or coffee? You're not happy. Good morning. Come on.
Down there. You trying to lift it up? So we're just gonna leave the rooms as they are, you know, just leave, you know, without even tidying anything up. And we're gonna be heading off. All full up. Just leaving with what we can fit in our bags.
Here is my roller coaster.
That's your roller coaster.
Hop in.
Hop.
At the front.
I can't fit in that.
Hop in at the front.
How the heck am I going to fit in that, T?
Oh, sit.
I can't sit in there.
Just sit in there.
I can't fit in that.
Maybe Hazel.
Yeah, Hazel can. Why don't you go and get Hazel for your roller coaster? Look, I just...
Hazel.
All this is getting left behind. Leaving it behind. All them jackets. This fridge. And my pictures of my babies.
See you in Jamaica.
We're just leaving it.
I was going to go home and get a spoon for you. Like,
Hazel, Hazy, what are you looking forward to your delicious breakfast? Guys, you're gonna say goodbye.
Bye.
Mummy, can you say goodbye to the house?
Goodbye, goodbye, goodbye.
So you're saying goodbye to the house.
Yeah. I'm gonna miss it. It's been wonderful. It's been very wonderful.
Don't get upset.
You just grab it.
You turn that light off. Did you lock it?
Yeah, lifted the handle up for it. Are we ready, guys?
You better hurry up.
Let's go.
Is it raining? Yeah. You'll be a bit warmer.
Yeah.
You getting your tickets? Theo, you getting your tickets? Oh, hitching to Easter. He's just cold, man.
He's having a little shutdown.
And then, come on, let's go.
Doors opening. Lift going down.
Come on then, guys.
Doors closing.
Well done.
Doors opening.
This is our new queue.
Yeah, nothing on it yet though, is there? Look.
Ready to be filled up.
Here it comes. Theo Santi.
Yeah.
Thank you.
You're right, my beautiful wife.
Alright, so we need to take the big step getting on the train now.
Jimmy live? Real name Dylan.
Yeah, in my class.
Oh, have you got a Dylan in your class? Oh right, this just goes all the way. Can you see?
What's that over there?
That's the Tower Bridge. We're on Blackfriars and then
over there.
what black thing?
That one.
There's Canary Wharf over there, and then there's the Shard. And then you got the walkie-talkie, and then that one over there is called the Smelly Bottom.
No. That's the smelly bottom.
We're at the airport, aren't we, guys? We're here. What's that? Look. Hey. you got yours, yeah? Coming in, darling.
Poor Theodore.
You holding that for me there, are you, see? Here, put it on then, Theodore.
Maybe we'll just wheel that one. I think it's south. Yeah, south terminal check-in. Go on. Here goes the bag. Are you watching?
Look, watch.
He didn't, darling.
No.
The bag. Oh,
You do some dancing, T. Well done. Cool, man. Here we are.
Did you say where?
So you know these are the gates.
Yeah.
So we, what are you saying, man? Right, let's go and eat some bits. You're in Pret. Where are we? Mummy, where are we?
Just having a bit of lunch, sitting down, eating, making a mess.
Would you like some white sugar?
No, I don't want any more sugar, but I've got about 10 in there. Merly, what you got, man? Misha.
Yeah, got my sandwich.
How do you feel about having about 6 months off of work?
Nice thought, very exciting, very good.
That's it,
So
is it?
much time. Can have
You're not
some
scared?
millions. No, no. This is stuff dreams are made of. Never.
It says 13.
Oh, it's up, is it?
Yes.
Look. Can you say hello? Good job.
Theo, look. You ready to go to Jamaica? Look. Hazel, look. Say bye-bye, England. Say hello, Jamaica.
Hello, Jamaica.
Bye, Dan. You are last time was September. Yeah. Welcome back. Good to see you again. We sat here.